Who are you? Ames and Arrow. Alright, we're going to show you the house today. What's in here, guys?
Garage.
Two-car garage.
Yeah, and that's
Leading, there's our stairwell. That's kind of a nice feature. Here's our living room. The big window. Oh, the kitchen. Open concept. Yes, sir. Nice appliances. And then what else did we miss? Oh, of course, the pantry. Of course, the pantry. And we've got the access under our deck. For laundry. You want to do the master bedroom first? Okay, master bedroom first. You got a 4-piece ensuite. Oh, walk-in closet. Very nice. What else?
This room.
What's that? A room? A bedroom?
Yes.
Bedroom number 2. Oh, the lights work. Yes, sir. And?
This.
Bedroom number 3.
Yeah.
Okay, now should we go downstairs or should we look at the backyard?
Downstairs.
I agree. Let's go. Okay. Now, guys, what do we have here? What could this? That's a big bedroom. Well, it was a big bedroom. What could this room be?
I don't know.
Well, right now it was a theater room before, right?
Yes.
But you could make it a bedroom. You could put a closet there, and then wall this off. You need more spaces, more rooms. We got our utility room there, and a storage room at the back. That's right. Come on this way. What's in here?
Bathroom.
Yes, sir.
Bathroom.
And there,
Yeah.
kind of an office, a bonus room, right?
This.
And this room was being used as the master bedroom. Now why don't we go to the backyard? Lead the way. Oh yeah, you should have won the race. You're on your feet. Let's get on his hands. Good job, Arrow! Woohoo! Okay, take us to the backyard, guys.
Where's the bathroom?
It's easy, it's right here. You wanna have rhubarb? Huh?
This is rhubarb day. Rhubarb.
Thanks for coming to visit us at this great house on the edge of town, just a block from the nature trail. I'm Ty Wilson. This is Ames and Arrow. Find your next homestead.
With Ramstead.
Yes!
With Ramstead.
Yes!